Multiplication of rational numbers. If p by q and r by s are two rational numbers, then p by q into r by s equals to p into r upon q into s.
Example, find the following products. A. 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 5. So we have to find the product of two rational numbers. So to find the product, we need to multiply the numerator of one fraction with the numerator of other fraction upon denominator of one fraction with the denominator of other fraction. So we get minus 8 by 15 as our product of the two rational numbers. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 9 by 7. So the product of the two rational number is multiplying the two numerators, minus 5 multiplied by minus 9 by 8 multiplied by 7. That is the product of the two denominators. So we get, so when we multiply two numbers having the same sign, so that is both are negative, then we get a positive integer. When we multiply two numbers or two integers having the same sign, then we get a positive integer. So 9 5s are 45 by 8 7s are 56. So this is our rational number, that is the product of the two rational number is also rational.
Properties of multiplication of rational numbers. First, closure property. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. If p by q and r by s are any two rational numbers, then p by q into r by s is also a rational number. This is called closure property of multiplication of rational numbers. Examples: A. Consider the rational numbers 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Then 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 equals to 2 multiplied by 4 by 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 8 by 15, which is a rational number. B. Consider the rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and minus 8 by 3. Then minus 5 by 7 and minus 8 by 3 equals to minus 5 into minus 8 by 7 by 3 equals to 40 by 21, which is a rational number. Second, commutative property. Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. If p by q into r by s are any two rational numbers, then p by q into r by s equals to r by s into p by q. This is called commutative property of multiplication of rational numbers. Example: A. Let us consider rational numbers 2 by 7 and 3 by 5. Then 2 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 5 equals to 2 multiplied by 3 by 7 multiplied by 5 equals to 6 by 35, and 3 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 7 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 by 5 multiplied by 7 equals to 6 by 35. Therefore, 2 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 5 equals to 3 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 7. B. Let us consider the rational numbers minus 5 by 9 and minus 3 by 4. Then minus 5 by 9 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 9 multiplied by 4 equals to 15 by 36 equals to 5 by 12, and minus 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 3 multiplied by minus 5 upon 4 multiplied by 9 equals to 15 by 36 equals to 5 by 12. Therefore, minus 5 by 9 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 equals to minus 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 9. Third, associative property. While multiplying 3 or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. If p by q, r by s and t by u are any 3 rational numbers, then p by q multiplied by r by s into t by u equals to p by q into r by s multiplied by t by u, where second and third term have been grouped. This is called associative property of multiplication of rational numbers. Examples: consider the rational numbers minus 4 by 5, 3 by 7 and minus 8 by 11. We have minus 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 7. So the first two terms have been grouped together in a bracket. Multiplied by minus 8 by 11 is equal to minus 4 into 3 by 5 into 7 multiplied by minus 8 by 11 equals to minus 12 by 35 into minus 8 by 11 equals to minus 12 into minus 8 by 35 into 11 equals to 96 by 385. Minus 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 7 multiplied by minus 8 by 11, where second and third terms have been grouped in a bracket, equals to minus 4 by 5 into 3 into minus 8 by 7 into 11 equals to minus 4 by 5 into minus 24 by 77 equals to minus 4 into minus 24 by 5 into 77 equals to 96 by 385. Therefore, minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 grouped together into minus 8 by 11 equals to minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into minus 8 by 11, where second and third term have been grouped together. Fourth, existence of multiplicative identity. For every rational number p by q, there exists a rational number 1 such that p by q into 1 equals to 1 into p by q equals to p by q. The number 1 is called the multiplicative identity of rational number. Example A. Consider the rational number 5 by 9. Then we have 5 by 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 1 equals to 5 multiplied by 1 by 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 5 by 9, and 1 multiplied by 5 by 9 equals to 1 by 1 into 5 by 9 equals to 1 into 5 by 1 into 9 equals to 5 by 9. Therefore, 5 by 9 into 1 equals to 1 into 5 by 9 equals to 5 by 9. B. Consider the rational number minus 5 by 13. Then we have minus 5 by 13 into 1 equals to minus 5 by 13 into 1 by 1 equals to minus 5 into 1 by 13 into 1 equals to minus 5 by 13. And 1 into minus 5 by 13 equals to 1 by 1 into minus 5 by 13 equals to 1 into minus 5 by 1 into 13 equals to minus 5 by 13. Therefore, minus 5 by 13 into 1 equals to 1 into minus 5 by 13 equals to minus 5 by 13. Fifth, multiplicative property of 0. Every rational number multiplied with 0 gives 0. Thus, for any rational number p by q, we have p by q multiplied by 0 equals to 0 multiplied by p by q equals to 0. Examples: 6 by 19 multiplied by 0 equals to 6 by 19 into 0 by 1 equals to 6 multiplied by 0 upon 19 multiplied by 1 equals to 0 by 19 equals to 0. Similarly, 0 multiplied by 6 by 19 is also equal to 0. B. Minus 11 by 10 multiplied by 0 equals to minus 11 by 10 multiplied by 0 by 1 equals to minus 11 multiplied by 0 by 10 multiplied by 1 equals to 0 by 10 equals to 0. Similarly, 0 multiplied by minus 11 by 10 is also equal to 0. Sixth, distributive law of multiplication over addition. If p by q, r by s and 1 by u are three rational numbers, then p by q multiplied by r by s plus t by u into p by q multiplied by r by s, p by q multiplied by r by s plus p by q multiplied by t by u. Example: consider any three rational numbers 4 by 5, minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. We have 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 equals to 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 2 by 12 equals to 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 9 plus 10 by 12 equals to 4 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 12 equals to 1 into 1 by 5 into 3 equals to 1 by 15, and 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 6 is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4. So 4 gets cancelled by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 5 upon 5 multiplied by 6. Here 5 gets cancelled by 1 and 4 is divided by 2. We get 2 and 6 by 2 we divide, we get 3 equals to 1 into minus 3 by 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 upon 1 into 3 equals to minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3 equals to minus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5 by 15 equals to minus 9 plus 10 by 15 equals to 1 by 15. Therefore, 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 4 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 6.